Well, do you want to start listening to music on Spotify but don't know how to create a Spotify account? Well, you are in the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way of how you can create a Spotify account and start listening to music. So, first, what you have to do is open your Spotify app and then click on sign up for free and click on continue with Google. Wait for it to load. After that, simply click on one of your Gmail IDs and then select your date of birth. After selecting it, click on next and select your gender. Click on I agree to the Spotify terms and policies and then click on create account. You can turn on notifications or let it be. Here I'm going to click on not now and then select your three favorite artists. After that, click on done. Now click on start listening or simply click on not now and here you go, your Spotify account is now ready to use. It is that easy to create a Spotify account. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.